Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Got a little bit of organization to do. Yeah, we had some new arrivals and I got to find a place to put them. With the latest haul of C-clamps, I've run out of room on the clamp rack. It was always kind of a lash up to start with. This is the clamp rack from my old workshop over in Union City. And I had enough clamps to fill one peg when I put it up. I said, I'm going to be getting more. Little did I know that I was going to have enough to fill all the pegs and have more in a box sitting on the workbench. My last trip to the restore pretty much filled me up. I got a nice group of little 4-inch clamps, but no more place to put them. So the easiest solution is just to make more rack. I sharpened it at 10 teeth per inch. It does a nice job of cutting this poplar without splitting anything out. There, now just has to set. I have room for these new clamps. And a few of these have been stacked up double on the hooks over here. Now the new rack is full, and the old one has a little bit of room left on it. Looks like it's time to go shopping again. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.